Everyone talks about passive income like it's some magic trick. Money while you sleep, money while you travel, money while you do nothing. But here's the truth no one tells you. Most passive income ideas require money to start. Real estate, stocks, dividend portfolios, you need capital. But what if you have $0? Today I'm breaking down 9 passive income streams you can start with $0, and some of these are used by people making $1,000 to $10,000 per month online. And the last one might be the most underrated passive income model on the internet. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and make decisions based on your personal financial situation. Every single passive income requires effort, consistency, and patience in the beginning. But once the systems are built, they can continue generating income long after the work is done. And make sure you stay until the very last one because it's the most underestimated passive income stream on this list. Yet it has quietly created long-term wealth for more people than almost any other strategy. Let's start with number 1. 1. Digital products. The first passive income stream is selling digital products. Digital products are things people buy online that don't require shipping. Examples include ebooks, templates, online guides, digital planners, spreadsheets, AI prompts, Notion templates. The reason digital products are powerful is simple. You create it once, you sell it forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy allow you to upload a digital product and sell it automatically. For example, someone creates a budget planner template. They upload it to Etsy, price it at $7. If just 10 people buy per day, that's $70 daily. That's over $2,000 per month from a product created once. And many creators do this with zero startup cost. But there is a catch. You need traffic. And that leads directly into passive income stream number 2. 2. YouTube automation. The second passive income stream is YouTube content. YouTube is one of the most powerful passive income engines on the internet because videos keep making money years after you post them. Once a channel gets monetized through the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn money from ads, affiliate links, sponsorships. And here's the key insight. You don't even have to show your face. Entire channels are built around faceless videos, stock footage, voiceovers, AI narration. For example, finance channels can earn $20 to $40 per 1,000 views. A single viral video with 1 million views could generate thousands of dollars. And because YouTube is a search engine, videos continue getting views for years. But YouTube also unlocks the next passive income stream. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product and earn a commission. You don't create the product, you simply promote it. Companies pay you when someone buys using your referral link. Some of the biggest affiliate platforms include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact. Here's a simple example. Imagine you review a budgeting app on YouTube. You place your affiliate link in the description. If someone signs up, you earn a commission. Now imagine that video gets 100,000 views every year. Even if just 1% click the link, that's 1,000 potential customers. And some affiliate commissions pay $20, $50, even $100 per sale. That single video could generate income every month without additional work. But there's another passive income stream that works even faster than YouTube. 4. Blogging. Blogging is still one of the most underrated passive income models online. A blog is simply a website where you publish articles. Once articles rank on search engines like Google, they can bring traffic for years. Blogs make money through display ads, affiliate links, digital products. For example, an article titled Best Budget Apps for Beginners could rank on Google. If it gets 10,000 visitors per month, you can monetize it with ads and affiliate links. Some bloggers earn $5,000 to $50,000 per month purely from search traffic. But if writing isn't your strength, the next idea might be easier. 5. Print on demand. Print on demand lets you sell products without holding inventory. You design graphics for things like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases. When someone buys your design, a company prints and ships it. You keep the profit. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, Printify handle everything. Your only job is creating designs, and designs don't need to be complex. Simple text designs often sell best. Example: a shirt that says "Save money, build wealth" could sell thousands of copies if it hits the right audience, and once a design is uploaded, it can sell for years. But the next passive income stream is exploding right now. 6. Stock content. Every day, businesses need photos, videos, music, graphics. Instead of creating everything themselves, they buy stock content. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock allow creators to upload content and earn royalties whenever it's downloaded. For example, a simple photo of someone working on a laptop could sell hundreds of times. Some photographers earn thousands per month from stock libraries, and once content is uploaded, it keeps selling without additional effort. But the next passive income stream requires almost no creativity at all. 7. Newsletter monetization. Email newsletters are becoming a massive passive income opportunity. Platforms like Substack, Beehive allow creators to build email audiences. Once you build subscribers, you can monetize through sponsorships, paid subscriptions, affiliate offers. For example, a finance newsletter with 10,000 readers could charge advertisers $500 to $2,000 per placement, and newsletters often grow through social media, YouTube, referrals. The best part? Once emails are scheduled, income can run almost automatically, but the next passive income stream is something many people overlook. 8. Selling AI prompts. AI tools are exploding, and people constantly search for better prompts to get better results. This created a brand new digital product market. People now sell AI prompt libraries, productivity prompts, marketing prompts. Some creators package prompts and sell them on marketplaces like PromptBase. A prompt pack priced at $10 could sell hundreds of times. And since prompts are text files, there is zero production cost. But the final passive income stream might be the most powerful. 9. Online courses. Online courses are one of the highest earning passive income streams online because knowledge can be packaged and sold infinitely. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare allow anyone to sell educational content. Courses can teach investing, freelancing, business, productivity, software skills. For example, a course priced at $49 only needs 20 students per month to generate nearly $1,000. And popular courses can attract thousands of students. The best part is once the course is recorded, it can generate income for years. But here's the most important truth about passive income. Passive income is not actually passive at the beginning. Every stream requires effort up front. You create the video, you write the article, you design the product. But over time, those assets continue generating income. That's the real power. You stop trading time for money and start building systems that pay you repeatedly. If you start today, even one of these ideas could eventually grow into a serious income stream. The key is simple. Pick one model, master it, and scale it. Because the biggest mistake people make with passive income is trying all 9 at once. Instead, focus on one and turn it into something powerful. If you found even one idea in this video useful, do 2 things right now. First, subscribe, because on this channel we break down real strategies for building income, growing wealth, and making smarter financial moves. No hype, just practical models you can actually use. Second, share this video with someone who needs it, because the difference between people who struggle financially and people who build wealth often comes down to exposure to the right information at the right time. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next strategy that could change the way you earn money.